International Security Officers Day is a day of recognition for all those people working behind the scenes who often aren't noticed.
They go to work with the attitude of loyalty, truth, benevolence, self-control, etiquette, courage, justice and honour. They put their life on the line every single day, and the reason they do that is they have a passion for protecting the community.
Private security is very important to every nation because without security officers, most companies and the country probably would come to a halt.
Security is the first responder in 99.9% of situations.
Without private security, you wouldn't have your music concerts, you wouldn't have your games of football, you wouldn't have your gatherings that people enjoy.
We're the first line of defense. We're going to be the ones up front dealing with the situation, and that's very unappreciated.
International Security Officers Day is a day to recognise those people that don't get recognised day in, day out.
Security's all around us. Sometimes we take no notice of it, but it's there all around us to make us feel safe.
International Security Officers Day is the 24th of July each year. Why 24th of July? Because it's 24/7 represents what a security officer's duties are. We are hoping, of course, that ISOD is recognized by the vast majority of companies who are employing security operatives as well as their customers, so that there is a groundswell of a day whereby we celebrate the duties and responsibilities and the vital contributions that security officers make to life in society. Everyone can participate in International Security Officers Day. All we ask is you publicly come and thank a security officer for their efforts, for their contributions throughout the year. But on that one day, to really go out there, shake their hands and say thank you. We as employers do that. We encourage our customers, our clients to do that, and the general public, please.
This International Security Officers Day, take a moment to recognize the work they do.
Either nod, smile, say good day, or shake their hand and say thank you for what you do for us.
Be proud of your job.
This world would not be as comfortable and as safe as it is without you being there.
Those people are keeping me safe every time I walk out there on the streets, and I thank you for that.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your contributions and your dedication to the security industry.
Thank you for what you do for us.